In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook across multiple devices. If you want your email, calendar, and contacts to be consistent, whether you're on a computer, tablet, or phone, this walkthrough will make the process clear and stress-free. First, install the official Outlook app on every device you plan to use. That could be Outlook for Windows or Mac on your computer, and the Outlook app from your device's App Store on mobile. When you open Outlook, sign in using the exact same email account on each device. Using the same account is what allows Outlook to connect to the same mailbox on the server, so anything you do in one place, like reading a message or filing it into a folder, automatically reflects everywhere else. Give the app a moment on each device to complete the initial sync, especially if your mailbox is large or your internet connection is slow. Next, make sure you're using the right account type. If your email is Microsoft 365, Exchange, or Outlook.com, you're set for a full automatic sync. That means email, calendar, contacts, and even folders and flags stay aligned across devices without any extra setup. If your account is set up as IMAP, Outlook will sync your email and folders, but calendar and contacts may depend on what your provider supports. Some providers offer separate services for calendars and contacts, while others don't. If full, seamless syncing of calendar and contacts is important to you, consider using an Exchange-based account or your Outlook.com mailbox for that all-in-one experience. Avoid POP accounts for multi-device use. POP typically downloads messages to one device and doesn't sync changes back to the server. Once you're signed in with the same account and the appropriate account type, Outlook does the work on its own by talking to the server. You'll see your inbox, sent items, and folders populate the same way on each device. New emails you read or delete on your phone should update on your computer, and calendar invitations you accept on your desktop will appear on your mobile device. If something seems delayed, give it a bit of time,